don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 170,000 subs. Welcome to our fans on the TV. It's the Nedbank Cup. Kaizer Chiefs 1, Stellenbosch 2. I'm joined by Ben Mapradeka Mabanu Puma.
Uthetha nomabra ngisuke Atlantis isithipho. Mamela out yami. I-Chiefs ibhude ngaphi ofaka 7 defenders. Why? Kuphi again? Ufake bani? uSolomon. Ukwinika inkomo. Kubani? Kuba nika. uMiguel ufake uSolomon. Uthatha uMakhadi umdlalise nomsimango. 4 and 5. Inolenzima ba? Ayikho. Inolenzima ba? Sizaza udliwa singamakhosi bakajonganga lapho. Sizaza udliwa. Asizuyithatha league. Masibe honest. Asizuyithatha league. Mamela ngokujonga iChiefs i-defending champions eNedbank mariphumile.
First round.
Last 32. Last 32.
Ubobi ayenzeni ngoCedric Kazi.
Jona Sipho ubayisabo coach abayi2. Sidinga ucoach ewa. Yabona for in conclusion, I like it for the Stellenbosch.
You like it for the Stellenbosch?
Yes.
Whoa, members. Imam of the match.
Titus.
Devon Titus. My brother.
Titus.
Man, a personal loan in Nedbank get 3,000 rand. Who Titus Magakora next game? Why win a pair?
Also.
Thank you.